Hi lablabs! Welcome back to your YouTube channel. So today is another cooking vlog. So I'm going to cook seafood boil or boiled seafood. So ano yung mga ingredients and how do I cook my own version of the seafood boil or boiled seafood? That's for you to find out, so you have to stay tuned in this vlog. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions that you would like us to do on our next vlog, please don't hesitate to comment down below all your suggestions. Alright, love, so here are the ingredients of the seafood boil. First is tahong, the shrimp, the crabs, squid, corn, the baby potatoes, the butter, chopped garlic and onion, paprika, garlic powder, we have the pepper as well, and we also need the oil. Why do we need the oil? That's for you to find out later. I also have Sprite. Right, as you can see in the video guys, yung seafoods actually are half cooked na. Why? Kasi dito sa condo na tinihan namin, medyo maliliit lang yung kaldero niya or yung frying pan niya, so hindi siya magkasya. So ang ginawa ko is hinaf-cook ko na lang yung seafoods para mas madali. Except na lang sa corn, tsaka sa baby potatoes, kasi madali lang naman din tong maluto eh. Alright, so let's start na. Alright, so first step is painitin muna natin yung kaldero. At make sure na walang tubig. Yung sinasabi ko kanina sa inyo, why do we need an oil? So when I'm cooking butter, I make sure to put a little bit of oil para hindi masunog agad yung butter. Kasi pag nasunog yung butter, mag-iiba yung lasa ng niluluto mo. Kahit anong recipe actually. Hindi naman talaga dapat marami para hindi lang masunog yung butter. I guess that's enough. So, mainitin na natin siya. So, yung gagawin natin later guys, dito ko gagawin yung sauce. Tapos, lalagay ko yung isang pan dito. Tapos, i-mix ko siya half dito tsaka half sa isang pan. So, pwede na natin, I guess, ilagay yung butter kasi medyo mainitan din naman. Ito yung butter, half actually.
pampalasa.